My name is Craig Resnick, Vice President of the ARC Advisory Group. I'm an industry analyst, so what we're doing is we do a lot of market research regarding the automation and enterprise industries as it pertains to manufacturers. And so we're researching companies that make everything from aircraft and automobiles all the way through oil refining. It's amazing, even though automation has been around, certainly for a generation, but there's still a lot of manual processes. For example, there are people that walk around plants with clipboards that are actually manually recording data. Then they're going into maybe it's an Excel spreadsheet and they're actually loading that data in. One of the things that gets us very excited is think of all the opportunities there is for error. Think of how slow that process is. And now, if you're in a position where all that data is being collected automatically, it's going to be correct, it's going to be loaded into the right places. And so not only is it going to make the process more accurate, but it's also going to speed the process up of getting that data. The digital transformation, not only has it been very, very helpful in kind of speeding up the process, but it's also really helped enable what we call as the industrial Internet of Things. Because we can now, with technology allowing all these low-cost sensors that could be attached to all these different assets, you can now record issues with assets that you couldn't pick up before. You may be looking at things like bearing temperature or vibration, and being able to now predict when that asset is going to fail. Because the biggest challenge that manufacturers have is unplanned or unscheduled downtime. I've heard some people use the quote, the power of two. And what that enables you to do is it takes the best of what AVEVA brought to the table from the CAD and PLM side of the world, which they were a very, very major player, taking all the automation expertise that Schneider Electric brought to the world from HMI and MES, production management, asset performance management, simulation software, and being able to tie that all together. So now you have a company that can provide the full portfolio of software. Now they can begin to design the manufacturing process before the process has been enabled. It enables you to now create what we call digital twins of the process, because now you can simulate the manufacturing process before you're actually implementing the manufacturing process. And isn't it a good thing if you can do your debugging before you're actually spending the money to set up the line, for example?